This is 2024 Topps Chrome Dune 3-box break. Thank you, Roastin' Tempe on the kill. Good luck, everyone. These boxes are nice. Guys, Disney is right there. Take your Marvel Chrome. Let's do a full case of that. Miss our full cases of Marvel Chrome. Wow, these are fancy. Fastest. Yeah. Fastest foot boy. Where is it? Oh, wrong side. Are you in this one, Durango? Oh yeah, you are. All right, there we go. Through Far Auto. Okay. Me too, Raj. Me too. Hopefully we get you something big. We'll both be surprised together, Raj. These cards do look really nice. Really nice. Okay, so what colors are we looking for? Is it like pretty much the same, like red, orange? Do we have supers in this? I didn't study. Shame on me. You are a pop boy, Raj. You got into so many breaks already. No. Not with Raj Tempe. The other Raj, maybe. Raj Tempe. I'm changing his name. We're taking over. That's fine. Okay, Durango, I need you to assist me. Or whoever's out there needs to assist me with this. Mrs. Hammond needs assistance. The only person I know is Jason Momoa and Zendaya. Give you assistance. Hurry up then. Are you not outside? What is this, a bronze? Caladan Cemetery. Here I am. Here I remain. Is this like a seismic pulsar? Raban. Refractor. What is that, a lightsaber? Sandworm encounter. Going back to sleep. Akio, take your Disney. Alright. In my box. I think I see a color coming. Or some colors coming. Ooh. Shani gifts Crest Knife to Paul. 109 out of 199. I need to get the correlation. I need to get the correlation. A lot of thieves. What do you mean? We don't ship out Disney. There's Tim. Jamis. Swish, what is this? I don't know what this is. I'm sorry, guys. I apologize. I know nothing about this. But I'll do it. I know nothing. Visions of Shani? Zendaya? Moons of the Arrakis. Music, do you know what this is? Oh, 25 out of 50. Lady Margot. Benny Gesser. On the gold. Cheryl. This is... Who is this for? Is this for Benedict? Lady Margot? Finring? I think that's for Benedict. Nice sizzle. Alright. Okay. You are a Dune fan? Okay, I hope I didn't miss anything. Please yell at me if I do. I think he's like sharp. He is. He like is. Dr. Liet Keenis. It's like a refractor. Paul commands the voice. Duke Leto. Duke Leto. That's for Charlie CM. Oh, blue. Oh, that looks cool. The Reverend Mother's Test. 78 out of 225. It's like a blue seismic. What spot does this go to? That looks like music. Is this a story? Fire? That was the first box. Way better than Scooby-Doo. The next one is in the store guide. Ooh, purple. Get purple lava. Gurney Halleck. 165 out of 250. This is for Roastin, Tempe. On the purple lava. Behind the scenes. House Arteris Falls. on this pulsar. The Hunter, Seeker, and Refractor. Come on, Jason Momoa. I don't know who else to ask for. No, it's not. Oh my gosh, there's music. Oh, I got an auto! Gurney Halleck. On the green auto, 80 out of 99 for Roastin. There you go, Roastin. Nice kill. That was on a kill too, right? Let's go. You're welcome. Let's keep it going. You got a purple lava of him too? All right. Blue seismic, 59 out of 225. The carry-all fails. Barrage. I think I'm gonna just say Rod Roastin. Oh, out of 50 and a gold. Rabban Harkonnen. Rabban. That's for Rolary. Rolary on the gold. Batista. Alright, we're warming up. Like it. Are you in this music? You're not in this break, are you? Guys, take your Disney. Disney is getting close. 120 out of 175. This looks like an aqua. The carry-all fails. That's another one, colored. Is that numbered? No, that wasn't numbered. Behind the scenes. It kind of did. Kinda. Maybe. Maybe a little. Yeah, take your SpongeBob. Definitely more in that SpongeBob case. Last box, guys. Nice so far. Like a seismic Amtaru. I wonder if these are like I'm assuming these are the stories. I'm assuming. Good thing we definitely have a good sorting team that knows where all these spots go. How much? Maybe. Found by the Sardaukar. Purple, another one. It's hard to see that. It's like a speckle. 4 out of 275. It's like speckled. I do. doesn't look like him. I thought you were sleeping, Q. Stillguard, the Refractor. There's Shani or Zendaya. Oh, what is that? Fuchsia? 222 out of 299. The Fuchsia. Protest from Jamis. Where does this go to? Last little stack here. Battle should get behind the scenes. Dune. Fuchsia again. Breakfast on Caladan. This is 92 out of 299. The Fuchsia. Disney is going tonight. What do you mean? Alright, first 3 boxes of the case. What do we think? I had a dream Disney was breaking. Do you have a spot in it? Or a Q? Yes? No? You're welcome. Momoa wasn't there. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I guess he did. Yeah, I guess so, huh? Maybe a little. I'm sorry. Congrats, Roasted. That is the break.